Good morning, Internet, or YouTube, whatever. Life Journey at 50 here. Hey, getting ready to head out another adventure. Heading to Bar Harbor, Maine, going through Niagara, Burlington, Vermont, New Hampshire, go hit about 8-9 states. Boston, New York, Providence, Rhode Island, Wilmington, Delaware, Philly, DC. So should be a fun journey or whatever. But you can see, as usual, maybe you can see, rack stacked and packed. It is 5:40 a.m. I'm a little late to get started, but the journey begins. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Coming from a long road and the money's gone. All the games where you played your part from the very start just to come this far. You should know I believe in you. Every race you run, you're my number one. Kick it up now and bring it on. This will be your day. 'Cause baby, you were born to win. Never give up, never give in. You were born to win. Your destiny is victory. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, you were born to win. You set it up and you knock it down. You're all set now to rock this town. You don't really need to play it low. Just get up and go. This is all your show. You should know I believe in you. Every race you run, you're my number one. Kick it up now and bring it on. This will be your day. 'Cause baby, you were born to win. Never give up, never give in. You were born to win. Your destiny is victory. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, you were born to win. Cause baby, you were born to win. Born to win. Your destiny is victory. Baby, you were born to win. Never give up, never give in. You were born to win. Your destiny is victory. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's Life Journey at 50. Yeah, so I'm out here at Allegheny State Park in New York. Long day today, a little over 500 miles, and sorry for the looks. But rode all the way up to Niagara Falls. Wasn't able to get any video up there. Been a long day in a saddle, over, like I said, over 500 miles, and I did get up there though to take a look around. Some video at least of Buffalo and on the lake and Lakeshore Drive there and stuff. So a little bit bummed didn't get a chance to really partake. It was more so timing. Probably would have been another hour and a half, 2 hours to get to where I'm at, and I just didn't want to push the envelope. Plus, it's $25 to park, and then with all my gear on and stuff like that, it was going to be like a half-mile hike, and no offense, you might laugh and say, why didn't you just stop there? I've seen Niagara before, and plus, I'm not going to be able to do any drone footage or any of that stuff as it is, and then you know, picture's a picture. I guess anybody can see Niagara Falls, but I know that's a lame excuse. But Allegheny is really nice. I didn't get much chance to, and then again, pushing the miles. Didn't get a lot of time to do some drone footage. I'm going to try to get some in the morning as I head out. It is pretty wild though. I'm going to show you this. So, see that? As I was coming in here, it was pretty funny. Talked to a couple people, and the campsite they were at, they had about 5 bears show up, and so that's always fun. And so you got to keep your food contained, put away, and making sure that everything's okay. But yeah, it is bear season. So anyways, thanks. Hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe, hit that like button, and appreciating internet. YouTube, welcome to Life's Journey 50. It is 11:45, and you can kind of see the sun's just coming up. Beautiful section over here. Bike's packed, ready to go. Day 2, the journey on to Burlington, Vermont, through the mountains. We'll see how this goes. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You like that BMW?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I rode one once and it was awesome.
Yeah.
On the back one. It was awesome.
Yeah, it is.
So where are you traveling to or from? Or?
From Cincinnati.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, and then heading up to, I don't know, I'm going over to Lake Carmine over in Vermont.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow to Bar Harbor, all the way to Maine.
Bar Harbor.
I gotta say that right. Yeah.
Lobsters up there, boy.
We're thinking about flying in there sometime later this year.
Yeah, and then turn around and head down through Boston and Providence, down and around to DC, and then home through West Virginia. What's that?
When you gonna go through the White Mountains in New Hampshire?
I don't know if I'll be able to or not, but yeah, it just depends on how much time I really
Have
have.
you been to West Virginia?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, I've already been to New River Gorge and the whole thing. And
Yeah.
I've got all my. I'm knocking out all these states up here, so this will be 30 states I've been to this year so far.
Far
This
out.
year already?
Yeah,
is
right here.
far
That's my map so far of where I've been already.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm
you
completing.
didn't see much there, I can tell you that. That's where we're from.
Kind of just a cut through, no problem.
But yeah, that's been what, 4 or 5 years ago we went to West Virginia. We spent 9 days riding the whole
Oh
state.
yeah,
On
absolutely.
a Harley.
Oh God, yeah.
It was
Yeah.
freaking
That's awesome.
Like I told him when I got home, I said, it's the only time I've ever traveled I could never set the cruise control on my road bike.
Oh,
You know, because you're always
right, yeah, you're constantly back and
constantly
forth.
turning and
Yeah.
stuff. So what year is this bike?
This is brand new. I just got it March 1st.
Oh wow! And how many miles? So far?
A little over 14,000.
Oh, good for
Kicking
you.
them out, ain't you, man?
You're not one of those guys that leave it in the garage, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, there's no sense in owning it if you're not riding it.
I was going through physical therapy because I had 2 surgeries on my shoulder. And my friend Brian, he's retired, and he's got an 18 Ultra Classic sitting in his garage. And I was talking to him about physical therapy, and I
Yeah.
said, Brian, you still get that bike? He goes, yeah. I said, how many miles you got? 300.
It's just a,
But he's the type
An
of guy.
18? An 18?
Yeah, but he's the type of guy.
Yeah, I
who
just
bought
added that a couple weeks ago.
He bought a Corvette, set in the garage, and he had it for years, and he sold it, and now he's got a Viper. He says, back tires and that thing is that big. He says, you romp it in any gear, it just breaks it loose. So he probably doesn't drive it very often either, but he's just one of them guys, he's got the money, and he'll just buy stuff just
well.
to have it, you know, so.
Good to have toys.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you have a
That's
good
real
safe
nice.
trip,
Be
man.
safe.
Thank you. Thank you. You guys have fun.
we don't know where we're going yet. Now, what'd you see here?
Oh, I haven't seen anything yet. I've been.
Are you heading north then?
Yeah, so I went from Cincinnati to Niagara yesterday and then stayed in the New York part of the Allegheny State Park last night. And then now I'm making my way all the way over there. So it's been a long day.
We're gonna go home via Niagara.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, enjoy.
I'll wrap you up.
Have a good one. Hello.
You're gonna have to hurry if you want to catch this boat, just FYI.
Gotcha. Let's give you the. What do you need, card?
750, yeah, card's back.
Thank you, sir.
On that slip right before you get on.
All right. How you doing?